date as of 5:30 a.m. PST, October 23rd. Here's the 8 a.m. enemy advisory. Hurricane Watch now in effect for Jamaica. Heavy rain and life-threatening flooding is expected. As 50-mile-per-hour winds moving northwest at 310 at 5 miles per hour. Southern free low pressure. It's located 15.5 north, 74.9 west. And we can show you a look of it. It's still under a very strong shear, but it's been trying to form convection near the center. It's about right there. Um, it's expected they head northward, turn northward throughout the next 24 to 36 hours. Then a ridge to the north will form and force it westward. But I mean, there's a lot of uncertainty here. Look how big this circle is, and a lot of models like the GFS actually takes it still into Haiti and the Atlantic. It has it right here in about 5 days. The ECMWF has it about here in about 5 days. With I mean, a few other models. HMON has it here, north of Jamaica. So there's uncertainty, um, and where it could go. But here's the hurricane track models as of 60. Here's the TVCN. It takes it into Jamaica, then turns it northeastward into Cuba. So there's quite a bit of uncertainty still. Here is the GFS. The core of them is to the slightly to the east, mostly over or south to Jamaica, pretty much. But some of them go east in the Haiti. This just shows how much uncertainty it is. I mean, one of the most uncertain storms in a long time. I'll tell you that much. Um, GPS also has this uncertainty, but further east in the means, here is the intensity models, which shows it being pretty weak for the next day, then strengthening into a hurricane by 36 hours as a upper level anticyclone forms over it. And then longer term, it should become a major by 3, 4, 5 days. We'll have to see exactly what track, how much land it interacts with. But yeah, I mean, I agree with the AC's thinking right now. Here's the ECMWF as a 0Z. It's about 16.7 79.6. I mean, well, southwest of Jamaica by 126 hours. Incredible when you actually think about it. Well, on the other hand, here is the ECMWF for the same time frame. That is north of the DR at 22 north, 69.4 west at the same time. I mean, that's one hell of a spread, uh, if you ask me. Here is the HMON. I mean, this is Jamaica, this is Haiti, this is Cuba. And it has moved east compared to earlier runs. This is 120 hours and 951 millibars. Um, HAFA, boom, it agrees with the SIMWF. 923 millibars for this time frame. So yeah, I mean, there's so much spread still. But hey, I'm starting to think Jamaica probably does get hit with it. Then it heads into probably eastern Cuba, then turns northeastward. Is my thinking right now. The, kind of like the HWRF. I mean, look at that, 120 into Cuba. Let's go back to 96. Pretty much north of Jamaica. So I was gonna make a track based on what I see. It would probably be northward and northwestward into probably eastern portions of Jamaica, then turns northward into Cuba, then into the Bahamas, kind of like this. Because I don't think the winds are going to be as strong, and, and there's so much uncertainty. So what really could say so, but it also means it probably doesn't become a major hurricane. I mean, it could before it makes its second landfall on Cuba, but we'll have to see. Longer term, it's more uncertain what it does in the lake. Um, Next, we're going to look at 92E, which is right here, as an LSC convection. Let's see what the AC is saying. Has 40% next 2 days, 70% the next 7. I mean, let's look at the models. 10.3 north, 108 west. Expected to head west to west northwestward. Maybe strengthen into maybe a 45 knot tropical storm by 4 days. GEFS is weaker. Well, I don't expect any effects from land at all for this. In fact, it is main landfall. Change is sheer to hell, but is north of Madagascar, such to head westward. I look at 97 ain't interesting. 92 isn't interesting. 95S kind of piques the interest. Yeah. But expect to stay away from land, move just west to west, westward. Unless your tropical